Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Air Force 1 07. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Air Force 1 07 shoes. This pair is a men's UK size 8, US 9, Europe 42.5, Brazil 40.5, 27 cm, and it's also in a women's US size 10.5. And this pair is in the black colourway, and the style is CW2288-001. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid, and let's peel back the wrapping or packing paper to reveal the Nike Air Force 1 07 in the black colourway, and let's lift out the pair from the box and set them on the tabletop. So just setting the box to the side on the left and giving you that initial look of this pair of Nike Air Force 1 07. Okay, and just setting the right shoe in the background on the right as we take a look at the left shoe first. So giving you a look at the left shoe, and let's do a 360 rotation so you have that full and clear initial all-round look of the shoe before we take much closer in looks at its details. Now taking a much closer in look at its details so we can see the pretty much blacked out or murdered out look of this shoe with that black leather upper, and you can see the full graining of that black leather upper of the shoe and the perforations as well for the toe box for breathability. So the only accent we can see contrasting against the black is that media blasted Dubray at the bottom of the eye stay. So just giving you a much closer in look at its details. So there, the toe box with the perforations, and of course the mudguard, very smooth, full grain leather. And with the midsole, we can see black as well as the outsole black as well. As we move towards the midfoot area of the shoe, we can see that black Nike swoosh in that same full grain leather. And continuing towards the back, we can see the foxing in black leather as well, so completely layered with black leather throughout. And of course, the heel portion of the midsole, we can see the air molding, indicating that the shoe does have Nike Air cushioning in the sole. So taking a look directly from the back of the shoe, we can see the embroidered Nike Air on the back tab in black, so black on black right there. And of course, the stitching throughout is black as well. So plenty of black details right throughout the shoe. And you can see that low sheen gloss of that full grain leather making up the upper of the shoe. Just giving you a sense of how light plays against the various panels of the upper. Now taking a look directly from the front tip or toe of the shoe, and slowly moving towards the back to see the details along the entirety and length of the upper of the shoe. And of course giving you a look at the laces as well. The lace tips or aglets are in black. And with the tongue, so the tongue has a soft level of bolstering and it's very thin. And for the ankle and heel collar, so the ankle and heel collar padding or bolstering, I would say is thin to medium level of thickness, and in terms of softness, it is on the soft to medium level of firmness. Now let's slip out the paper stuffing that's in the shoe so we have a better look at the inside details. Okay, so pretty much blacked out once again throughout the insides of the shoe. Nonetheless, giving you a look at the back of the tongue label with the usual, I believe, Nike trademark details, as well as the inner labels as well, and the material sticker or composition sticker on the black insole. And now let's take a look at the bottom of the shoe or sole of the shoe. We can see it's in black and it is made out of rubber and has that Nike molded branding to the arch or midfoot area of the sole. And to give you some sense of the rubber sole, just dragging my finger along its surface and tapping with my fingernail as well. Now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the shoe's firmness, stiffness, pliability or softness. Now just stretching the shoe back in shape, not that it's bent very much. And let's take a look at the right shoe of this Nike Air Force 1 07 in the black colorway. So now taking a look at the right shoe, and let's do a 360 rotation with this side as well for that quick and clear initial look. And now taking a look at the close-up details of the shoe. So once again, that very blacked out upper in leather contrasted by that media blasted AF1 molded or stamped Dubray, and completely made out of this full grain leather, making up the upper of the shoe with matching black stitching throughout, and of course the embroidered Nike Air back tab, and not forgetting the molded Air branding on the midsole. And of course taking a look around the inside details, once again pretty much blacked out. Let's slip out the paper stuffing in there and giving you a look at this right shoe of this Nike Air Force 107. This time we can see some print design in white on the sock liner or insole with the Nike Air Force 1 pattern or design details on the heel part of the sock liner. And of course giving you a look at the inside tags or label as well, as best that we can with the setup that we have. And as I mentioned earlier, a thin and very softly padded tongue. And with the bottom, once again, black rubber sole. Now let's take a look at the pair together side by side. And from the front to the back. directly from the back. Top down. And the bottoms or soles of the shoes. So that's Nike Air Force 1 07. Thanks for watching and happy walking!